friends. I was headed to the dollar store and thought that I would bring you guys along to show you what kind of things you can find here for your gardening at an inexpensive price. So this is usually the time that they have all of their springtime supplies out for gardening. So let's go in and see what we can find. Okay guys, so right when you come in, you can see that you have flowers. There's a big glare here. You've got all kind of pole beans, radishes, Swiss chard, there's carrots, there are flowers, sunflowers down here, there's pumpkin, there's corn, and these are 4 for $1. There are sweet peas, there's lettuce, just about everything you would want to grow starting out. So oh, these are my favorite. Okay guys, these planters are great for planting your strawberries in. These stack like this. Sorry, and then you can stack them like this. There, that's better. Alright, so you can kind of stack it like this and put different things in them. $1 now. Can't beat that. You've got your pots here of all different shapes and sizes. You see these? Got the longer ones for your lettuce. You guys, watering cans, everything you need. Knee pads for working out in the garden. You've got your stakes, all kinds of stuff. These are really useful for clipping your vining plants and tomatoes as they start to grow, clipping those. These are really handy. You've got your wire. You guys, there's no reason you need to spend a lot of money on this stuff. If you need tools, you've got all of that here. There's gloves. If you're just getting started with your seed starting, these little guys are great for up potting your little seedlings. Actually, I need these, so I'm going to grab a couple of these. I have this size, but I think this is a better size for me. All right. Wow, this is some good stuff. You just want to have some decorative items. I love these wind twisters out in the sun. And all right, you guys, I'm going to grab a cart because I see some stuff that I want. And then I'm going to take you around and show you the rest. Okay, so I came down the aisle. And again, there are more garden gloves. More of a selection of garden gloves. Cute little things just to hang out in your garden. They also have for your house plants, the fertilizer spikes. They have flowers, wildflowers, zinnias, and these. If you need these trays to catch the water, these are here also. And this is there's 4 of these in a pack for $1. There are 6 of these in a pack for $1. And the big ones, I think this is 3. There are 3 of these big ones for $1. So lots of inexpensive stuff you can use. I'm going to pick me up a couple while I'm here. And I'm going to head over to the last aisle and show you my favorite spot. Alright guys, this is my favorite section of the dollar store. So I want to show you these. If you have small plants and you have, you know, the critters that try to get to it, these make great little coverings. You just take it and put it over the plant while it's small. You could even, you know, bury it down a little bit to secure it in the soil. But it kind of protects, not kind of, it will protect your young plant until it grows big enough to sort of withstand some of the pests. So, um, or critters, whatever. But these are $1. You can't beat that. My favorite are these little flexible buckets. These things, let's see how big they are. They have two handles. They're very soft and flexible. And you can take these, you can drill holes in the bottom, and this can become a planter. I like to use it for carrying water and my tools around the garden. If I'm doing a bunch of stuff, I just put everything in the bucket, and the bucket travels with me as I move around. So yeah, that's my favorite. Actually, I need another one. So this is coming with me. You can just kind of get creative. If you need something to carry your tools around in the garden, you could use something like this and put all of your tools and everything that you need, and you can always find them. Um, so this is handy. I might take this too. Um, it comes in black and it comes in white. I use this also to harden off my plants. So when I take them outside, I put them in here, and this is what I take back and forth. This is what I take inside and out. They're really sturdy, and you know, you make sure you don't drop your new plants. So you just stack them all in there, take them inside and out while you during the hardening off process. And these are just good to have when I put things in and out of the greenhouse. Also, I just let them stay in this, and the water can drain out the sides of the holes. So I highly recommend using this for your outdoor measuring for fertilizer or anything like that. So you don't have to mix up your kitchen utensils or kitchen measuring cups with your outdoor. Okay. They also have measuring spoons. I don't see them now, but you can get those as well. And I have a dedicated set um, that stays in my kits for outdoors. This also, I just noticed this. This would make a great scoop. It's a little bigger than a, you know, garden shovel. You can find something to do with that. Um, but again, it's just thinking outside of the box. Okay, guys, so it's just that easy. You just watch me escort you through the Dollar Tree and show you all of the wonderful tools that you can find there to make your gardening journey a little easier and a lot more inexpensive. Um, all of the Dollar Trees, you know, have basically the same items. They will vary from store to store, but for the most part, you can find similar items as you just saw there. You might find better items, so get out there and take a look. But just again, get creative. Just, you know, repurpose items, reuse items. Just, you know, they were created for one thing, but that doesn't mean you can't use it for something else. So you know, if I can grow, you guys definitely can grow. So come on, let's get growing. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.